What is advanced resin printing? It does every beam through a Fresnel lens, curing resin evenly on a 14-inch screen. It's slicing at 16K resolution with smooth layers. It's your idea comes to life seamlessly. That's advanced resin printing. That's me, Jupiter 2. What does 2 stand for? No more flip-up cover, but a double door design. Just that? Now, I make it effortless with auto resin feeding. I can fill, refill, and recycle resin myself. I can heat the tank to 30 degrees Celsius automatically. I'm 4 times smarter with 4 pressure sensors to detect resin shortages, detect residue, and auto-level the build plate to help you work smarter. And with the camera and ELEGOO Metrics app, you can relive the entire print in seconds. I come with a quick swap build plate off in seconds. Showtime! Also, I don't work alone. With my partner, SatelLite, you can print easier and faster. My massive build volume allows me to print all kinds of models efficiently. So, you wanted advanced resin printing? You've got it!